We are here at South Mountain State Park. It's Adeline's 2-month-old birthday. We're going on our first hike.
How exciting!
And then we're gonna get some food. So come hang out with us and let's see some nature.
The sun's a little too bright. We need to buy her a little hat. Oh gosh. I almost fell. You can't even see her face, she's so shaded. Good job, Dad.
So we've been here a couple times, but this is Adeline's first time.
It is.
And it's gonna be her first time seeing a waterfall. That's pretty exciting. Oh,
I'm just kidding.
We'll make it to the top. Slowly, maybe. Everybody's passing us.
This trail, it starts out very like easy, and then it gets pretty moderate. So you've got lots of.
But then you get to like this staircase. It's like very steep. We'll show you up here. It's really not too far. It's like
half a mile.
Half a mile, I think. It's not a long trail at all.
So if you want to take it easy, just kind of go by the river at the beginning. If you feel like exploring, dive deeper, but just be mindful that it does get a little rocky and moderate with the elevation changes.
Oh yeah, and there's tons of trails out here at South Mountain.
But there are a lot of places to kind of get off the trail and just kind of rest. There aren't benches, but there's just like little lookout spots.
And in the summertime, everybody starts swimming out here.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll have to do that. All right, we're gonna keep going.
Let's go.
You ready to climb all the stairs now?
All uphill from here.
Tippy top, baby. Stairs, 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 stairs. Mom's back there. She's coming. Okay, right up around this bend is Looking Glass Falls. That's what we came here for. It's all the way to the top, baby. Shoal Creek? No, it's Looking Glass. I don't know, now I'm questioning it. Maybe you're right, I don't know. Now we need to double check. It was High Shoals. High Shoals Falls.
I was wrong though.
We were both wrong. Ready to head back down? Alright. Let's do the stairs again. Alright, Adaline, take up by waterfall. Up by waterfall. She's amazing. And there's people swimming out there. You said you were hot though, so. All right. Wow, my feet are white. Aubrey convinced me to do it.
So cold.
It's pretty brisk. I don't know how kids are swimming upstream. There's kids swimming. I don't know how they're doing it. But I'm getting hungry. Are you getting hungry? I think we're gonna go grab some food. So let's go back to the car and let's go eat. Someone got to eat before the rest of us.
We had so much fun on our hike today, but we are starving. Oh my goodness, who knew that many stairs could wear you out that much? I mean, it makes sense, but still, we're hungry. So where the hike is, there's really not much for food options. So we're just gonna head into Shelby on our way home and grab a quick bite to eat. So hopefully it's good. We will see you there.
What would you like to eat, sweet pea? Biscuits? We have a sleepy baby. We have beer and mimosas and food coming. This place looks really good, actually.
Yeah, did we say we were?
Oh, we stopped at Newgrass. So we're driving through Shelby on our way back home. It's like the biggest town by us, and we found a brewery. And here we are. This is what we're doing. Now we're getting drinks and we're waiting on our food. They were doing brunch today, so I think you got an egg sandwich and I got an egg sandwich. Did you get bacon or did you get liver mush?
I got bacon.
they have
I
liver
got a
mush
side
down
of
here. It's
potatoes.
the craziest thing ever. Oh, you got potatoes with yours.
This mimosa is amazing.
What?
It's really
I haven't
good.
tried mine yet. You want to cheers?
Cheers to sleepy babies and brunch.
Okay.
You have to try mine, and I'll try yours.
So their beer isn't filtered. This is a peanut butter and jelly beer. It's really good.
Does it taste like peanut butter and jelly?
Yeah.
And I got my mimosa is pineapple and mango, and it tastes like the tropics.
The tropics, like I'm on an island.
So good.
Ooh, we're so hungry. I just got a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. I think Aubrey got the same, but with potatoes.
Babe. Look at these two cuties.
She wants some bacon.
Just kidding.
Not yet. These sandwiches are super good. Bacon super crispy, super simple, and we're gonna smash. So we'll see you later. Bye. Lunch was amazing.
It was brunch.
Oh,
Okay.
brunch. Excuse me.
No, it was so good. And it was so simple. It was literally just egg, biscuit, and cheese on a bun. Or no, egg. I had a mimosa. It's been a while
It's
since
been a
I've
while. It was good. Nonetheless, it was good. Shelby's like really cute. This is a really cute town. We're gonna walk around for a minute.
So
Just kind of chillax for a second.
make the baby fall asleep again.
So close and
I found out that they do brunch from 10 until 2.
zero at all. Good. Thanks for hanging with us today, y'all.
Yeah,
It's a pretty good day.
we had so much fun. We had a nice hike.
It was pretty good. The waterfall,
Yep. So good.
very nice. Have to go back.
And we had had a nice brunch.
Had a nice brunch, had some good beer, had a mimosa, and had a nice little walk with the babes.
Sun was shining. It was a good day.
Very good day. Very good day. Very good Sunday.
Very good.
So until next time, y'all, we'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.